Hello, this is Granny, and I am getting ready to feed my animals. I'm so glad you're coming out here to help me feed. Of course, we have our usual animals. There's Laverne and Shirley. They're waiting for me to feed them some hay. And there's Fancy. That's coming out to help. And Rex. That helps. And where's Rascal? Where's Rascal? I think there's my rabbits. And my chickies. Couple of chickies. Come on, let's go on in. I'm getting ready to feed you guys. Gonna be on video today. You're gonna get to be the stars of the show. Rex is looking at the rabbits. They know he can't get him. He can't get to them because I've got them protected in their fence. Got the rabbits protected. And my chickens and everybody else. It's a sunny day. About 55 degrees out today. I've got my boots on. And I got a jacket on, so I'm ready. Let's get in our feed room. Or my feed room. We are going to get the pellets. We'll get half of the feed with the pellets. All pellets. So I'm going to get one. Two scoops of the pellets. Now that's just half of it. I'm going to get the other half. And it is my chopped corn. One. Two. So 2 of the pellets, 2 of the corn. Half and half. That makes a whole. So now, what's next? We got to mix it up. So we're going to shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your animal feed. Shake your animal feed. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, that's pretty good. All right. Now we got to go out and feed. They're waiting, as usual. They know I'm coming. Let's see. Got the chickens. Got Billy Goat. Got Lammy, baby doll lamb. And Piggy. Look at them all. They are wanting to eat. So I'm going to start throwing food for the chickens so they can get started and get a head start. And to get out of my way so I won't trip on them. Okay, we'll put them in the clay plates I have. These are planter plates. 1, 2, 3. Now for this one, same thing. 1, 2, 3. Let's go to the next one. Got 6 of these. 6 of these out here in their lot. 1, 2, 3. And here's the one. Oops, I got all chickens back. 2, 3. I'm glad y'all are helping me feed today. You can help me keep track of the animals. You know, I've got small animals. 1, 2, 3. You got to make sure they're all present and accounted for. Nobody got sick or flew out of the pen. Okay, we got one more plate here. And I've got my long feeder. 1, 2, 3. I usually put about 6 over here in this white one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in there. Billy goats come over here first to eat. There's Lammy Poo, baby doll lamb. My little hair lamb. And chickens are eating in this one. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, rabbits are running over to the other one. They're all eating. I got my 2 little white hens over back there that they're always together. 2 of those. 2 of my Buffington, my yellow hens. And I see 3 of my black and white hens. Now I'm supposed to have 2 red hens. See one over there. And there's the other one. We got them. 2 red hens. Of course, you can't miss Piggy. I know she's in here, and you can't miss those 2, Billy Goat and Lammy. Okay, I still got more feed. I'm going to add it to this one. They're all ganged over here. Pretty little rabbit. Whoops. Oh, they're running up. Having a good time. Got more here. Of course, Piggy's got to. And also give them hay. They eat grass, but the grass is dead. So I have to give them hay too, just like I give my horses hay. For all the rest of it in there. Piggy and the other day I walked out here and the white hen, she likes to get on Piggy's back. And she'll jump up on Billy Goat's back just for something to do, I guess. They all eat together pretty good. No one's mean. Some of them will just run another one away. There's the 2. wish my white hens would start laying eggs. They should here before too long. They should start laying eggs. Jumping around, having a good time, eating. I'm a little late today getting the feed. Oh, yeah, normally I get around, I come out here about 10, but I got a late start today. We had to go visit a friend, a relative in the hospital. So that's what we did this morning. So it's about noontime. So they are ready to eat. They said, "Where have you been, Granny? We've been wanting our food." Hey, Billy Goat. Yeah, don't bite. I told you Billy Goat don't have no top teeth. They're not supposed to. And Lammy, she don't have no top teeth either. They have it's called a pad. I have a video that it talks all about the pig and a lot of my animals. You can go back and look at all my videos about my animals and learn about them. Yeah, here you come up here wanting something extra. I've got always give them some dessert, some fruit rolls. We're gonna do that. My dogs took off out there. There's Rex running on that road. I'll have to call him back here. Get back here. Come on. Come on, Rascal. Come on, Fancy. Get off the road. That's our neighbor's road. It's a private road that they use. It's not a busy road. That's a good boy. And you got all wet. Oh, goodness. Here, you got up there on your little show stand. And there's a video that I took where he's doing all of his tricks for everybody. And a Billy Goat's got a black tongue, too. You want to show him your tongue? Show him your tongue. Kind of black, ain't it? And Lammy Pooh's got a black tongue. Okay, he's jumping down. I'm going to go in here and check the eggs. We're through feeding out here. They're cleaning up, getting little last bits of corn off of the ground. They pick it with their little beaks, and chickens will scratch in the ground. They don't just see corn, they'll scratch and get bugs and other things. Bugs have protein in them, and chickens need protein. This is my tree. I like the tree, but I don't like the sweet gum balls that fall every year. So I get a leaf blower and blow them out of the way, and then later I'll rake them all up together and burn them. Burn all those sweet gum balls that I don't like. Okay, let's check the water. As usual, you have to check the water every day. Their water's fine. Now we're inside their stall. Check the eggs, see what we got today. Well, you can't see them, but I'm going to reach in there and get them. Put them out here for you. There's 2 eggs in that one. And that's the only ones. 2 eggs today. I have to take them in the house, scrape them off. Rinse them off is what I meant to say, and clean them up. I'll get rid of the poopy. Do a little cleaning in here. That's my garden tool. That's good for scraping poopy. There's some poopy inside here we have to get. And as I told you before, taking care of animals, having a little animal farm is not all fun and games. There's work involved. Cleaning up after these little critters. Okay. I hear Laverne talking next door across. Now I'm going to do some sweeping. Because I'm going to put their dessert down here for them to eat. Sweep up the mess. I'll put my bucket over here on the sawhorse. That's called a sawhorse. They call it that because you can put things on it and use the saw. But I use it for the stand. Okay, I'm sweeping now. This is an everyday job. Got little goat poop pellets, and lammy poop pellets, and almost everybody does pellets except the chickens. Chickens are messier. Now they come in here waiting for me to give them their dessert. So glad you're helping me today, working with me. There's everybody getting their drink. They ate their food, so now they're going to drink. Everybody can get their heads in there and their beaks and drink the water. It's good to have fresh water for them. Keep it pretty fresh. If there's dirt, it's down the bottom. Always clear water up top. Oh, that looks a lot better. Put my broom up. Let's see, here's move. Baby doll. Move, baby doll lamb. Look at Billy Goat. He always wants to get something. I can't keep anything in here very long. There's my fan I use in the summertime. It keeps them cool. When it's hot, turn fan on. And then this is a light that adds a little warmth in the wintertime. I need to get a pretty strong bulb in there. Okay, let's get the eggs in my bucket. We'll go get their dessert. Sometimes I put the eggs down in the bucket so I can open my door and do all that good. I got my hands-free device here that I put my phone in to do the recording. Okay, and there's Wix waiting for me. I know the light is a change. Here's my dessert. Here's my eggs. See, that's got a nice soft sponge. I put my eggs up there on so they won't break. Okay, now we'll get the dessert. I'll drop that bucket down. Okay, I'm gonna throw them in there. Fruit rolls. Can't see very good. I'm gonna have to go in so you can see. We'll give them their little desserts. There's the fruit rolls. Got different colors. You can stop your video if you're looking at it and look at all the colors that I'm throwing out on the ground. Oh, Piggy, she likes to eat them too. Pink ones. Of course, rabbits love them. There's one on a rabbit's back. Oh, chicken got it. I don't know if you saw that. That was pretty neat. There's green and pink and all kinds of pretty colors. You hear my chickens? Yeah. They're making weird noises. They're making chicken noises. Yeah, I usually get my eggs. Sometimes on the farmer's market in the summer I sell some eggs. And then I give a lot of them away. I have a grown son, grown daughter that get my eggs. Yeah, you can count the colors. Stop the video. There's green, yellow, orange, pink, blue, and there's purple too. Okay, that's enough treat for today. Now get back. Put this up. I don't know. We're going to go back here and get the hay for Laverne. Let's see, I hear Laverne. There's Laverne and Shirley in there. Hello. They're across the alley. It's called an alleyway, this big old middle. There's Laverne. Right there. Hey, Laverne, you ready to eat something? Huh? Shirley, you ready to eat some hay? Yeah, I'll go get you some hay. You can't get out. Everybody wants to get out. I don't see my peacock. Sometimes he's up here. Where's Jack? Where's Peacock? We'll see him from time to time. He just hides out. He's out here in the barn. So I see him. Maybe we can go around over here and see behind the boat over here. This is there's his neck sticking up. You see him? Got a green neck. He's probably going to get ready to jump somewhere. His feathers are really getting long. He's going to have some pretty long tail feathers this summer. Jump on up there, Jack. I see you looking. There he goes. He's going to have some feathers with pretty, they're called eyes, round spots in the feathers. They're called eyes. Jack's about 2 years old. Maybe 2, going on 3, something like that. Hey, Jack, you're a pretty boy. Whee! I went over there to the other one. Okay, let's go get the hay. I have a video of Jack catching bread. That's one of my videos. To learn, and I tell all about what I know about peacocks. You can learn. Here's the hay. Get sections out. I'm going to give the biggest section to Laverne and Shirley. Then I'm going to take this smaller section. This is the biggest one. It's bigger than this one, or the smaller one. And it's going over here to little lamb and billy goat. When I walk, my camera bobs up and down. Okay, let's go out here. Come on, kids. Let's go out in the sun. Come on, kiddos. Where's Shirley? Let's go out here, Laverne. Go on. Go on, Laverne. They want to get the hay. They've got dead grass. It just doesn't have the the good food value that the hay does. The hay was cut by farmers and made into square bales. When the hay's green, it's cut, so it keeps a lot of its nutrient. But this hay, this grass out here on the ground, it's dead grass, and it doesn't have the nutrients that you need. Some farmers will make big old round bales. So I'll probably have to call the vet out here. I'm concerned about Shirley's chewing. The vet does some dentist work on their teeth, and I think she needs it on one side. Their teeth get sharp, and they get to where they can't chew as good. So anyway, they're eating their hay. They like it. They say thank you. Okay, enjoy your hay. And I have some videos of Shirley, my little miniature pony. I have videos of her getting haircuts and learning about ponies and learning about the animals. And then I have a video on Laverne talking about the donkeys, the miniature donkeys, and the legend of the cross, which is about the donkey that Jesus rode into Bethlehem on Palm Sunday. And it's a cute little story. I have that on one of my videos. Okay, now about to finish up here. That was a lot of work, wasn't it? Now we'll put this hay out there, this smaller chunk, for these little animals. For all these, my lamb and my goat. So they can munch on this hay. And Piggy eats it too. But sometimes she'll dig around with her nose and eat the dead roots of my grass out here. Hey, Piggy. Oh, Billy Goat rams into Piggy with his head. It's a good thing he don't have his horns. I had his horns taken off. Hey, Billy Goat, be nice to Piggy. He don't want her around getting stuff. So I break up the hay so everyone can have a chunk of hay. And if Piggy wants to eat some, she can eat some without Billy Goat butting her away. It's not nice, Billy Goat. You share. You know you have to share. You don't do that to other people, just Piggy. Okay. Come here, Penelope. Or my little baby pig. Come here. Yes. She has those, so she don't dig great. Has those clips on her nose, so she can't dig big old holes out here. She had been digging big old holes and tearing it up, so we had to put that on her. There's a rabbit over there getting her a drink of water, bending over there. Well, you'll get to see it when my white hens start laying eggs. They should have a whiter egg. It's what they're supposed to have. And a little shorter egg. They're not a year old yet, those white hens. Okay. And there's Squeaky getting some sun. Soaking up that sun. It's good for them. Okay, we'll go out and say goodbye to the animals. That will be the end of my animal job today. Of course, I had good helpers from you guys, you kiddos. I'm glad you came and helped me with feeding so you can learn about the animals and know how it is to have animals and to learn about animals and just learn about other things too. Not that everybody know, there's some of them coming back out. Baby doll's going over to eat her some hay. Billy Goat, you get over there and eat you some hay too. In the summer, it's all green and pretty out here. And there's Piggy. She come up here by me, by the fence. Yeah, her's a good girl. When she was just a baby, I had her in the house. She just sat on my lap. The sweetest little baby. Well, that's the end of my story today. I'm glad y'all came to help me. And remember, if you like this or know someone else that might like it, have them subscribe to my channel. And we'll be doing this sort of thing, learn about animals, feeding the animals every time I have a video. So we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.